Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a brand new D-Link network switch. This is a D-Link 24-port desktop switch. Let's check what's inside the box, the build quality, and the main features. This switch is perfect for small offices and home networks. And subscribe for more tech videos. Now let's open the box. Inside, we get a user manual and a D-Link information card. The manual has setup instructions, and the card includes warranty and support details. Next, we have the main device, the D-Link network switch. It looks solid and well built, with a metal body for better durability. On the front side, we can see the Ethernet port. The LED indicators are also placed together on the same side. The back side has just the power input. Now let's talk about the features and configuration. This D-Link network switch comes with multiple gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed data transfer. It supports plug and play, so there's no need for any software or manual setup. Along with the switch, we also get a power cable and mounting bracket and a few mounting screws. These are useful if you want to install the switch in a rack or wall mount setup.